welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing with Rema Design, and this one is more like kind of landscape kind of thing. Let's see. Just gonna get the plastic out. Open the box. Oh. So it's big. Oh, it's not so big. It's 80 by 60, and I love the toolkit. Soft bag, very nice. We get 2 bags of threads. Oh. So yeah, 10 colors. And here's the painting. Let's see. I love the ribbon kind of thing. It's a surprise. My friend said every time she gets a painting, she feels like it's Christmas. So this is 68 colors, so plenty of colors. The Guarding Light is the name, and Abraham Hunter is the artist. And I like it because of the sky and the eagle. And oh my god, I'm gonna roll this backwards because it's only gonna pull the opposite way, but I need to get stuff in here. I like the color sheet. Oops. We have 4 AB in this paint. No, 5 AB. That's a lot. 1 white or whatever it is, like a pink one, yellow, green, and blue. So yeah, plenty of colors. And we get some join the community, Instagram and Facebook, instructions. I never take care of them, it's always in the way. And now I'm gonna roll this backward, so hang on a little bit. Oh my god, it's so stiff, this canvas, so it's not easy to roll backwards, but yeah, sometimes we have to struggle. Okay, now we can lay flat, and voila! That's so nice when you incorporate with you. Okay, that's it. Okay. See. So yeah, it's like kind of a house with a lighthouse and some trees, and yeah, it's water and a big eagle. And why I like this picture, it was because of the the background here. If you look, I don't know why they never give you a sticker, but in the thumbnail you can see how nice and bright the sky is, and I love the concept of this painting with the eagle. So I have not worked so much about landscaping, but I love the landscape pictures. But yeah, this one did just scream to me because of the background and the eagle. So it's gonna bright up the sky behind it. So that's why I love this painting so much. And yeah, it's a boat here in the end. You cannot see it, but yeah, like here is a boat. So, and here down is only some rockets. And let's see, we have the AB is like 0, so it's gonna be AB here, and the fans, and much in the water. Oh my god, some here in the water, down here in the water, so it's plenty. Oh, and the eagle. Oh my god, this is gonna be beautiful because it's gonna be quite a lot. The tail are almost only AB. And we also got 9. Where is the 9 one? Yeah, here is some 9. Let's see, because it's a pink one. It's the only 9? No, some 9 around here. So it's gonna be 2 AB here. See some here. Okay, so it's gonna shine a little bit in the light place of the painting. And we got N. It's around the sky, right here, up here, some outlining right here, down here. Oh my god, it's gonna be plenty of this. And we have a hammer, so it's gonna be in the plan right here, here. Okay, and the last one is C. Yeah, so yeah, it's gonna be plenty of AB here in the fans. So 2, 1 AB for the white one and 1 for the blue one, and right here. Oh my god, this is gonna be beautiful painting. So yeah, we have a legend over here, we have a legend over here, and let's see if we can see some of the AB. I don't want to open it, but yeah, the green one is here, and blue one is the big bag here, and the white one is here. It's 2 white bags and 1 yellow right there. So I believe, and the pink one is here. Yeah, everyone is here, so that's not bad. If you don't know what a AB is, it stands for Aurora Borealis. It's a diamond with extra sparkle. And here we have, what's it, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, green, yellow, pink, no, white, blue, and pink. Purple. What is it about this? And here is the which kind of painting on the drill. So if we separate them, it should not be any problem because 1 and 2 from the lighthouse, so it's okay. What more? Yeah, so AB. So yeah, AB all over the painting. But I'm gonna turn it a little bit around. No, I cannot do that because I cannot turn it. Let's see if we can show you the whole painting. We're gonna move you down a little bit so you can see down here. Oh, my table is not so big. Oh, okay. It's only for my drill when they are stuck together, so that's not a bad. Oh, the lighting. Okay, let's see. Now you can see. So it's kind of very nice, like a wave coming up to the rock down here. So that's very nice. And let's see if we can get this end as well. Here you have the boat in the end, and the whole eagle kind of thing right here. So he's quite big eagle. And yeah, if you see rivers, it's not bad. It's gonna flat out when you open the plastic, so that's not a problem. And the symbol quality is quite good. And yeah, that's the whole picture. It looks so dark here, and the thumbnail is not quite dark, but I believe when you're gonna put on the drill it's gonna be more light. But yeah, very nice bird. I really like it. And the only confetti area is kind of like here and here and some here. If not, it's color blocking. So it's the both on this painting, so that's quite nice. It's not only color blocking and it's not only confetti. So I always start in the left corner and move down when I work on a painting, but this painting is so big so I have to turn it around. So when I work with this painting, it's gonna be turned this way. So the nice thing about when I work with the painting like this, it's gonna be the rock first and then the house, and I can go over for this. So then it's not gonna be all confetti, it's also gonna be a little bit color blocking like this. So yeah, very nice picture, very long. So I hope you like it. I like it a lot and I'm so pleased with it, and I hope to see you in my next video, and have a nice weekend. Bye.